Namaskar. Respected Sri Amit Shah Ji, Honorable Union Minister of Home Affairs and Minister of Cooperation, Government of India, respected Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Sri Devendra Fadnavis Ji, respected Chief Minister of Gujarat, Bhupendra Patil Ji, respected Chief Minister of Odisha, Mohan Sharan Majhi Ji, respected Chief Minister of Goa, Pramod Chavan Ji, respected Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde Ji, respected Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Ajit Pawar Ji, respected Minister of States of Port, Shipping, Waterways, Santanu Thakur Ji, Secretary Vijay Kumar Ji, Chairman IPA Sunil Palwal Ji, distinguished ministers, respected excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar and good morning to all of you present here today. Let me begin my expressing by deepest sense of gratitude to our most dynamic and decisive Home Minister Amit Shah Ji for taking time out of his hectic schedule and honoring us by gracing the occasion. Only a peaceful and law-abiding society can attract investors. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi Ji, our Home Minister, Shri Amit Shah Ji has taken significant stride towards internal security, stability, and law and order, which have in turn strengthened the foundation for economic growth and investment in our nation. I welcome you all to India Maritime Week 2025, a grand celebration of India's rich maritime heritage, visionary leadership, and ambitious future. This event has come a long way from its earlier edition that laid the foundation of intent and vision. This year's event has grown in scale, stature, and global relevance. With participation from over 85 countries, 500 plus exhibitors, and 40 plus forums, it now stands at one of the most prominent maritime gatherings in the world. The theme this year, Uniting Oceans, One Maritime Vision, reflect not only our regional and global ambition, but also a timeless Indian ethos, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the world is one family. As we move forward, it is not rivalry, but collaboration, not competition, but co-creation that must guide our journey. In this spirit, we gather to share knowledge, align goals, and foster partnership that benefit all. The transformative journey towards India at 2047, the maritime sector is fast emerging as one of the strongest pillars of a Viksit Bharat, developed India. Under the dynamic and visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi Ji, India is not just keeping pace, India is setting benchmark. In the past 11 years, under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi Ji, India's maritime sector has achieved transformational progress. Port port capacity has nearly doubled, growing from 1,350 MTPA to over 2,700 MTPA. Cargo handle at all Indian ports has increased from 976 MMT to over 1,640 MMT. Coastal shipping cargo has seen a rise of 77% from 123 MMT to 218 MMT. Inland waterways cargo movement has surged from 6.9 MMT to over 145 MMT. The number of Indian seafarers has grown by 200% from 1.8 lakhs to over 3.2 lakhs. This sustained growth is a result of continuous investment, policy support, modernization of infrastructure, and a clear national vision. Alongside physical and policy infrastructure, India has recently undertaken comprehensive legal reforms to modernize and streamline its maritime legal framework. In the just concluded session of Parliament, 5 landmark maritime legislations were passed, replacing old laws with modern, efficient, and globally aligned framework. Looking ahead to 2047, when India celebrates 100 years of independence, our vision is ambitious and well-sorted. India aims to quadruple our port capacity to 10,000 MTPA, enable tenfold growth in cruise tourism, and increase the share of coastal and inland water cargo to 12% in the model mix. We aspire to be among the top 5 shipbuilding nations globally. Our message to the world is clear. Our ports are gateway to over 1 billion aspiration. India offers scale, stability, opportunity, and bankability. Our maritime workforce is skilled and among the top 3 globally. Our systems are transparent, tech-driven, and globally aligned. Over the coming days, this forum will begin together. Global thought leaders, policymakers, industry experts, and innovators. The conversation we have here will shape not only India's maritime vision, but also the world's collective future in ocean, shipping, and sustainable connectivity. Let us use this opportunity to build bridges between nations, between ideas, and between aspiration. Let us co-create a future where ocean unite us in peace, prosperity, and shared purpose. Thank you. Jai Hind.